Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be answering some of my most asked questions. So about a year ago I did a video on some UGG boots that were ruined, guys, with water stains, and I used a white vinegar to clean them off. It works really well, guys. These are the results, but a lot of you guys were asking me if you could also use apple cider vinegar, if it would work on black boots. And guys, look at this. I have some super dirty, ugly UGG boots, guys, and I'm going to test it out today. So this is how the boots look right now, guys. They're super dirty, super ugly, guys, faded. I just want you guys to get a close look so you guys can see the difference at the end. Okay, so you can see right there, this one has a watermark right there at the front. I got my apple cider vinegar, guys, and let's try it out. So I got a little bowl and I'm just gonna pour some of that apple cider in there. I'm just using plain apple cider, guys. You can water it down if you want a little bit. I'm just gonna test it raw like that, guys. And now I'm gonna use my crafting toothbrush to wash off those stains, those watermarks, and those dirty little stains that it has. Remember, when you are doing this, you have to scrub the whole section. So you see that stitching that connects the boots, each section, you have to scrub that whole area when you are cleaning it. I probably should buy myself a new crafting toothbrush because this one is beat up. All the bristles are falling off, guys. That's what those little sticks are. So don't freak out, I'm not damaging the boots, it's just that cheap ass toothbrush. So like I was saying, I did use the white distilled vinegar in the first video and I love how it works, guys. But a lot of you guys were asking me about this apple cider vinegar and I didn't want to. I hesitated a lot because it stinks, guys. It honestly stinks and I was terrified that it was gonna stink the boots up, guys. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me just do it and we shall see. So I am done cleaning this boot, guys, and now it's time to let it dry. And this is the other one, guys. Look how dirty it looks. I'm gonna do the same thing. So once they finish drying, this is how they look, guys. Much better, right? I guess it does work. But guys, after I am done doing the clean, I do brush them down so the suede kind of like puffs up because they do kind of get like a little stiff. So that's why I go in with a more hard bristle brush like this one and I brush over them. This is the same thing I do when I use vinegar to clean my Uggs. So I started brushing them and then I realized that the stains were still there, guys. Look at that. It didn't even come off. So I was like, you know what? Let me do this again. I did the same thing, cleaned it one more time with the toothbrush and the apple cider vinegar, and this is how they looked after they dried. So once again, I went in with the brush. Keep in mind, this was my second time cleaning them, guys, okay? And I was brushing them for a while, guys, and honestly, they were still rough. I don't know, it got a little bit rough. The suede wasn't really coming back up. I did not like that, guys. I know it's a little bit hard to tell on here, but the top, since I just washed it once, it was fine. The suede was nice and soft. But this section that I did clean twice, guys, it was just staying a little bit too rough for me. It was just not getting soft anymore. And I was going at it with the brush for a bit, guys. So yeah, I don't know. I don't like that part of the results. Those stains that were there after the first wash were gone. But guys, I just don't like that the roughness was not going away, guys. And you know what's weird also? That the boots look darker. It's like it brought the color back. That was so weird. But yeah, guys, honestly, I would go with the vinegar, the white distilled vinegar, over the apple cider. Because guys, look at this. It was just too rough and it was only 2 washes. And with the vinegar, I washed my boots literally like 3 times or 4 times, and I'm not sure. But guys, it did no damage and the suede was still there. It was nice and soft. And these are just too rough, guys. Look at that. The color is back. That's crazy. But yes, go with the white distilled vinegar, guys. That works much better. It did get rid of the stains and it did give a color, but that roughness is not gonna work for me, guys. Oh, and the boots did smell a bit, not as strong as I thought it would, but I could still smell it a little bit. Go with the white distilled vinegar. Here are your answers that you guys were asking me. Sorry it took so long, but yes, guys, look at that. And it does work on black boots. So I hope this helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Go check out my other content, guys. I do DIYs, I do shopping, I talk about handbags, It's a niche list channel, guys. Go check it out. Thank you guys so much in advance. I hope you learned a little something. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.